Ugh, morning. If you're watching this fail, you've already made one bad decision today. No food, no coffee, no reason to live. Welcome to Tuesday. And nope. That's a snake throat. I'm out, I'm done, I'm going vegan. Today in sponsor, this leaf, no flavor, zero crunch, 1 out of 10. That's your leaf? Bro, mine's got flavor and curves. Oh, you want to run now? That's real mature, Kevin. Keep waddling. This is called Leaf Glow. 100% organic. Zero effectiveness. Oh yes, crystal clear jungle sludge. Love that for me. I don't know what it is, but I want it. It's mine now. If you like this vlog, Plata, hit the like button. Follow me. You piece of humans.